Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start exercise 2.2, question number 7. First, see the question number 7. Question number 7 is the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. Now we will see the solution. Question number 7. Let three consecutive integers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. consecutive का मतलब लगातार आने वाले. जैसे पहला x है तो इसमें +1 करने के बाद दूसरा आ जाएगा, फिर इसी में +2 करने के बाद तीसरा आ जाएगा. जैसे सपोज दैट फर्स्ट इंटीजर इज़ 3, तो देन नेक्स्ट निकालने के लिए 3 + 1 4, और फिर इससे नेक्स्ट निकालने के लिए 3 + 2 5. तो इस तरीके से यहाँ पे x, x plus 1, x plus 2. According to question, the sum of these three consecutive integers is 51. So now we will write here x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equal to 51. Implies that we will open the bracket and we will add, and by this way we can find the value of x, and we will put the value of x here in this part and in this part and in this part. Now you can find the solution. Now question number 8. What is question number 8? See the question. Question number 8. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. So how we will solve this? Three consecutive integers. So we know that three consecutive integers are, let three consecutive integers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. According to question, first integer यानी x multiplied by 2, second integer multiplied by 3, and third integer x plus 2 multiplied by 4. And by adding these three numbers we will get 74. Hence we can write this plus this equal to 74. Now we will open the bracket and we will solve it, and by solving it we can find the value of x, and we will put the value of x in this part, here, here and here, and then we can find the value of three consecutive integers. It will be your answer. Now question number 9. What is question number 9? See the question in your book. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? So since the ages of Rahul and Harun are 5:7, so let Rahul's age be 5 years. See the solution. Let present age of Rahul be 5 years and present age of Harun be 7 years. Therefore 4 years later age of Rahul equal to 5x plus 4, क्योंकि 4 इसमें प्लस हो जाएगा, and age of Harun equal to 7x plus 4. Now according to question, sum of these two numbers will be equal to 56, यानी this plus this equal to 56, and by solving this equation we can find the value of x, and by putting the value of x here and here we can find the age of Rahul and age of Harun. Thank you. Now question number 10. Question number 10 you can do. See the question. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? तो बॉयज इक्वल टू 7x and girls equal to 5x, and it is given that number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. It means 7x equal to 5x plus 8. It will be your equation, and by solving it you can find the value of x, and by putting the value of x in 7x and 5x you can find the value of boys and girls, number of boys and girls. Now question number 11. This question is important. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 20 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? यानी there are three persons. First is Baichung, and second is his father, and third is his grandfather. तो सबसे पहले लेट द एज ऑफ बाइचुंग बी x, लेट बाइचुंग्स प्रेजेंट एज बी x ईयर्स, देयरफॉर हिज फादर एज, क्योंकि उसके फादर की एज जो है बाइचुंग से 29 ईयर्स मोर है, तो इट विल बी x + 29 ईयर्स, एंड बाइचुंग्स ग्रैंडफादर एज इक्वल टू ग्रैंडफादर की एज उसके फादर की एज से 26 ईयर्स मोर, तो इट विल बी x + 29 + 26 equal to x + 55. Now according to question, sum of these three equal to 135. Hence this plus this plus this equal to 135. By solving this equation we can find the value of x, and by putting the value of x here, here and here we can find the present age of Baichung, then present age of his father, and then present age of his grandfather. By this way you can solve the question from 7 to 11. Thank you and have a nice day.